Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Vilma. Today's video is going to be a very highly requested video since December 2020 or even before, but the later part of that year, I've been getting so many requests to do a curly hair routine. That is what I'm going to be doing today. And whilst I'm sharing how I wash my hair or I style my hair and all of that, I'm also going to share my thoughts on the Aveda Be Curly and the Aveda Botanical products that I've been using. Now, I mentioned in a video that I did in December that I'm trying a new line, and that is the line that I've been consistently using in the past 4 months. I've been super impressed with all the products that I have been using, and I feel like it also reflects on how my hair actually looks. I'm getting a lot of compliments. Thank you so much for your kind words. I've also noticed a huge difference since the first day that I tried these products, how my hair looks, how it feels, the definition, the bounce. I have a lot of hair. My hair is quite thick, and because I also have silver hair, which for those of you who are in the same journey as me, just embracing your gray hairs, you know how difficult gray hair is. It's very, let's just say it has a mind of its own, and sometimes it doesn't want to curl, and sometimes it just does not respond to what you want it to do. But with these products, I feel that my hair is super happy. I am happy, and I've also noticed that a lot of you have noticed the changes in my hair, including the hair growth as well. So before we get into the video, everything that I'm wearing on this video, including makeup, my top, everything will be listed below because I know at some point I'll be getting questions. I also wanted to give a good shout out to the new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the family. I really appreciate all of your love. And for those of you who have been riding with me for a really long time, as always, you guys are the absolute best. And I just wanted to say a huge thank you for helping me achieve something that I never thought was possible, to create a platform for so many women to come together. And I just wanted to say that I really appreciate you all. Now, I have to admit, when I did my curly hair routine in my bathroom, 2 steps that I skipped was shampoo and conditioner. And the reason why I skipped those steps was because I like to wash my hair in the shower with really warm water, not super hot, but warm water. And my bathroom becomes kind of like a steam room, and I knew for a fact if I was going to try and film that particular part of my routine, my camera or my lens would be steamed all the time and I would have to stop and start. So I did skip shampoo and conditioner, but I'm going to start talking about those products first. So here are the shampoo and conditioner by Aveda Be Curly that I use, and these 2 products are supposed to define wavy to curly hair, to fight frizz, and to help boost shine. Now, a few quick words about the shampoo. I used to say in the past that shampoo is just shampoo, but I completely changed my mind once I started using this. I find that this shampoo actually moisturizes my hair. My hair doesn't feel as tangled as it would with another shampoo. I also kind of like changed a little bit of how I shampoo my hair. I do it every week, but I used to just mess up my hair on top of my head, and I don't do that anymore. I leave the shampoo for at least 1 or 2 minutes to kind of like activate whatever ingredients it has in there to loosen up the dirt in your scalp and your hair fiber. And then I kind of like just massage it very gently, and I really like it. Scent wise, amazing. It has a really fresh citrusy scent, and the conditioner as well. The conditioner itself, I loved it so much that I already have a backup in my bathroom because I just love what it does to my hair. It's very moisturizing again. It detangles my hair really nicely, and I don't need to apply a whole lot, and this conditioner provides a lot of slip as well. Now, this week I didn't deep condition my hair, but when I do, I am using this one also by Aveda, and this one is from the Botanical line. It's very new, I would say possibly less than 6 to 8 months old. I really like it. It's a super thick product. Like if I turn it this way, nothing comes out. It has a very earthy scent, almost like medicine, but not in a bad way. I can't really explain it. It doesn't smell like it has tons of perfume in there, and it's supposed to be all natural. So this is the Botanical Repair Hair Mask. Another product that I wanted to mention real quick in this video, although I did not use it in this particular routine, it's the leave-in conditioner by the Botanical line, and this is supposed to repair your hair. So it's a treatment that you leave in your hair. I really like this. It's very, very lightweight in texture. It doesn't weigh my hair down at all. I noticed once I apply this on my hair drinks this so much, like really, really quickly. So I tend to use this every other week because I don't personally feel like my hair needs any sort of repair. I don't feel like it does. I think it's a really nice conditioner. It's supposed to strengthen your hair. So I use it every other week because I have two other products from the Be Curly line that I like more, and I started using those ones first. So this one every other week, just to add that extra strength to my strands. So now that we've got those few products out of the way, I feel like we're reaching the fun part of this video, which is me showing you how I style my hair to have these results that you see right here. Now, when I'm getting ready to style my hair, I like my hair soaking wet. So I don't tend to dry my hair in a t-shirt or a towel anymore. I just roll my hair at the back like I do a small little bun or a low bun. And then when I remove the scrunchie, my hair is still pretty wet. I like to part my hair. Sometimes I brush it before I do it, but my hair is already detangled because I did it in the shower. But I tend to part my hair into 4 sections. I find that also prevents my hair from drying really quickly and also helps me to control where I'm styling and how I'm styling my curls. The first product that I like to use is the Aveda Be Curly Style Prep. This is supposed to be a product that provides all-day frizz control, moisturization, and curl definition. And although you're looking at this little tube and you're thinking, gosh, that thing is really, really small, it actually lasts a really, really long time. As I mentioned, I bought these products in December and I've been using them consistently once a week. And this product right here, because it has a pump, you really have a lot of control on the amount of product that you're applying. Now, of course, this all depends on your hair texture, how much hair you have, on how much product you're actually going to use. But for me, 1 pump out of this is okay for each section. I really, really love this. I feel like it's one of my favorite products out of everything that I'm showing you today. It definitely style preps my hair for the other products that I'm going to layer on top, and it doesn't make my hair feel greasy. It doesn't make my hair feel heavy. It provides a lot of slip, like amazing slip, and you can see straight away when I was applying this that my curls start popping straight away. The next product is the Aveda Be Curly Curl Enhancer. This product is supposed to intensify the curl, combat frizz, and help boost shine on curly or wavy hair. And it does exactly what it says. It definitely intensifies my curl. It layers beautifully on top of the style prep. Scent-wise is exactly the same. It provides a lot of slip, and you don't need a lot. Again, it depends on the thickness or density of your hair, how you want your curls to be. None of these products provide a crunchy feel at the end when they completely set. I find that they just define your curl from the moment they touch your curl all the way till your hair is completely dry. This product is almost finished. I feel like I use this a lot more than I use the style prep because when I want to refresh my curls, I tend to use this as well. Although my hair is full of product, I feel like just applying a little bit just to define the curl where I have a little bit of frizziness. This really, really helps. So I have backups of this in my bathroom. I was saying before that the style prep had to be my favorite product out of all of them, but I actually think it's the last product that I'm going to show you, which is a liquid gel. This is the Aveda Con Fixer liquid gel, and I'm obsessed with this product. I find that this gel works with any other leave-in conditioner that I have in my bathroom because I have used different ones. For example, on my daughter, I use different products, and this gel doesn't give that, it doesn't create a white cast. like it separates other products. This one doesn't do that at all. And I love the fact that it's a liquid gel. I prefer this a lot more than jelly gels, if that makes any sense, you know, like the harder ones or the thicker ones, better saying. This one really provides a lot of definition. The moment I apply this again, it just settles into the hair. It layers on my hair on top of the other products beautifully with no crunch. And I really love that. As you can see, I've gone through more than half, and I feel like I can use this for maybe another 4 to 5 months. But this product is a miracle worker. It just works amazing on my hair. It's not a gel that will make smooth styles, so this is not that type of gel. This is to provide a definition on your curls or waves. So please keep that in mind if you're thinking, oh, I'm going to use this gel and replace, I don't know, Eco Styler. No, that one is amazing for what it needs to do, but this one is something completely different. And I find that if you have wavy hair, this is going to be a great product because it doesn't weigh the hair down. And I think that's one of the reasons why the Aveda Be Curly is also catering for wavy hair. It's because it's not a heavy type of line. It's not greasy. It provides a lot of hold, but the hold is still soft. So the hold for me, this is just soft. My hair is super manageable and I really love it. So after my hair is styled, I allow my hair to air dry. I don't diffuse whatsoever. So I tend to wash my hair earlier in the day between 12 and 2 in the afternoon. That's when I like to wash my hair. So in the evening, when I go to bed, my hair is completely dry. I sleep with a silk pillowcase from Lily Silk, and I will link to that in the info bar below. I've been doing that, I would say, for almost 2 or 3 years using silk pillowcases because they're great. They don't cause friction on your hair and on your skin. And then in the morning, I remove the hair scrunchie and I just let my hair settle down before I do anything with it. So in the cutaway, you can see that my curls are not very voluminous. They're not very big, but they're not flat either. I feel like I always have volume here at the top, which shows me that the products that I'm using are working in harmony and with me as well, because I don't like my scalp to look very flat, full of hair. I go through my curls to see what's frizzy because there is 1 or 2 that are always frizzy in the morning because of the way that I sleep. So I just grab a water bottle, a spray bottle. I spray those strands and then I apply a tiny little bit of my curl enhancer. Sometimes I apply only the gel and sometimes I apply the curl enhancer. I feel like maybe I didn't apply enough on that section and that's why it looks a little bit frizzy. So you probably also noticed that in previous videos I've been parting my hair to the side, and I always part it to my left side. I find it more comfortable, but I do that on my 2nd or 3rd day of my wash and go. And I do that just because I want to switch up my style, because my natural hair parting is in the center. So I tend to always style my hair this way. And then when I want to change a little bit, I will part my hair to the side. And here in the demo, you can see how I do it. I style my hair very intentionally so that when I want to part my hair, there's already a parting that I've already created whilst I was styling, so I don't upset my curls. And that is kind of like a smart way of not manipulating your hair when it's dry, or not spraying your hair with too much water, because after a few days your hair needs washing anyway. But if you want to switch things up, that's what I do. I intentionally style my hair in a way that when I want to part my hair to the side, it's easy and I don't need to manipulate my hair. Okay guys, so that is my updated curly hair routine using the Aveda Be Curly and Botanical products. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what type of products you use. Do you use Aveda products? Did you enjoy this video? And of course, if you did, make sure to give this video a good thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. Of course, if you've not subscribed, that you would go ahead, subscribe to my channel. I post 1 video a week related to fashion, lifestyle, and beauty here and there. So if you like the sound of that, I would absolutely love to have you back. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.